Those of you that have been following the channel for a while know that Brandon and I like to do one first modification to most cars, and that is eliminate the muffler. Well, due to our lovely state of California, we can no longer have said modified exhaust on our vehicles. And if we do, it is no longer a fix-it ticket, it is a instant citation. So today we are going to put a muffler back on the Mark 5. So here we have the beautiful Mark 5. Her name is Stella, and for those of you that know her, she has a little bit of a temper, and she likes to scream and yell and growl and intimidate people. Well, today we're going to take that intimidation, growling, screaming that she has and put a fucking muzzle on her. Yay. Love you, California. I already started her this morning. You won't get the cold start growl, but this is what she sounds like. Yeah. That is going to be going away today. Something. Go ahead. California in your exhaust laws. It's a sad day here in the distinct garage. Poor Stella. Yep, I'm just gonna run it. More noise that I'm gonna miss too. Yep. On jack stands, we are going to get underneath it and find out where we can put in said muffler. Probably going to be right there somewhere. It's probably going to be our best bet. That way we still get a little bit of tailpipe, so we get a little bit of noise still. But I'm guessing it's going to fit there the best. We'll have to get the tape measure and do some measuring, find out which one is better. So I've got this piece cut out with my handy dandy sawzall, and just kind of sitting in there right now. We've got the muffler. And then we will hopefully tack it in. I'm on a creeper, I'm rolling all over the place, I really hate it. Recording, I forgot to hit the record button. Son of a gun. But there he is. There's Cameron. Say hi, Cameron. Anyways, what I was saying is, there's Cameron, who was trying to record but forgot his memory stick. So he's unable to record. And what I've got going on here is I'm rolling all over the place, but got the pipe cut out, muffler kind of in place. I will tack that all like that. Start it up, make sure there's no obnoxious body rubbing vibration, and then probably pull those 4 bolts out there, undo the V-band right there, drop the whole thing down, and weld it complete. We're going to get underneath the car and do some welding. Exhaust is out from under the car, that way I can get a good weld, because it's kind of some funky angles. I want to make sure I don't have no pinholes. And for the longest time I've had a nice smell. Yeah, whole melted bag, you know the deal. But I've got little gaps here and there that I'm going to have to fill. But I can do it. I can get it done. Weld it all up nice and pretty. Let's put her back underneath the car and see what she sounds like. So we're going to do the initial startup with the muffler, see what it sounds like. The tapped, or what do we call it, the muzzled Stella. Like being muzzled. She doesn't like being gagged. No gag. My weekend to do something for a performance upgrade on the Saab. Brandon was nice enough to give me a 2-piece Christmas present. One was HIDs, which I already put in, so we don't have a video for that, but I can show you what the headlights look like. And 2, we're going to show you here in a second because we're going to do that performance upgrade right now. Okay, so for this upgrade, it's going to have to do with the back end of the Saab. She's not quite complete because she is missing a very keen performance upgrade that you are going to witness in the next couple of minutes.
It's a spoiler.
It's a spoiler. Where would we put a spoiler on the Saab here? Point it out.
You would chassis mount it.
Chassis mount it?
Yeah.
Okay. No, it's not a spoiler. It's selfie camera. You gotta love selfie camera. For those that can't read backwards, it says distinct tuning. Hashtag not a WRX. Yeah, there it is. For those of you that don't know, the Saab here is a WRX by heart, but by badge, she is not. And Brandon was nice enough to give me a license plate cover for Christmas to put on here. Now, if you look, it's very, very chintzy and cheap here. My camera's not the world's greatest because we got a weird haze from the lighting outside, but It's basically a very thin piece of aluminum with a sticker on it. A sticker of carbon fiber. Very, very thin, very flimsy. But hey, it won't make vibrations when I put that mad sub in there. Thoughts are, Stella does not like to be gagged, and California sucks. Because my car should not be muffled the way she is, because she doesn't like it. And it's hard to express ourselves when we can't build the car the way we want to.